Hi, got a 2018 Mustang 2.3 EcoBoost. I'm now going to be doing an oil change and show you how to do it. Right, so safety first. Got it on an axle stand. The filter is located right down the bottom there. It's very easy to access. Only a quick job. And you've got a sump plug there. Right, so I've heated up the engine, giving it a little bit of a run. First job is I'm just going to release this a little bit. Just let a bit of the pressure out. Leave that on top there. Needed, I've picked up the Castrol Magnatec 530A5, which is what's specified. In the book it does specify the WSS M2C913-D. I've got two 4 litres, and I've obviously got the oil filter there. Right, let's get that ready for oil. Right, first of all, I'm going to crack the sump. It's a 15mm. There we go. Gonna put that underneath there, like that. Oh, I love working on the ground. Let's bring it forward a little bit and unscrew. Try not to drop the sump plug. Is it a pain in the backside getting out again? There we go. Lovely. Let that do its bit. It's coming out quite fast, obviously, because I've heated up the engine. There's this, anyway, filters at the top there. Hopefully, you should just unscrew by hand. No, I've got a tool for that. Those are a bit tight. You need one of these tools just to undo it. Just to loosen it a little bit. There you go. It's just coming loose. I should do my hand now. I've just moved it over a little bit. And catch any oil that falls out. There we go, it's coming all loose. I just do it slowly because it will drip like that. And it's full up. You fill up to the brim, that oil filter. So don't tip it. And ideally, if you've got some gloves, wear gloves. I don't like wearing gloves. Although your hands get absolutely filthy. And oil gets ingrained into your skin. So gloves, I've got to just bring it up slowly and then tip. And that'll just drip out. So I put a little bit of, get a bit of that oil. That's it, just put it around the seal, like that. Not too much, just so it seals. And I'll screw this one back, screw this one up. Like that. Now I will hand tighten that in a minute. Once I put the sump plug in, I'll get this out of the way. Let that drip for a bit. Right, I'm happy with that, that's enough. Dribbles, now screw it back in. Not that. All out. So I don't know what torque is off the top of my head, I'll look it up in a minute, but I know how tight to do things because I've done it so many times. They're not over tight, usually about 20-ish, but I'll check that out in a minute. So I'm going to tighten it up. Hand tight. Hand tight's enough for me. I'm happy with that. Don't need a tool for tightening this on. Just like that. Out we come. Just clean it up a little bit. And there as well. Now obviously I would not be under this car if I did not have axle stands on it. If this falls on you, you're a goner. That's it, I'm happy with that. It's that easy. And gently put it down. Nice and slowly. So far I've put 5 litres of this oil in here. Okay, I've just run the engine up just to get it circulated around the engine. I'm just leaving a couple of minutes now, and then I'll check it on the dipstick and top up if necessary. So we've put 5 litres in it already. Now I'm going to put a bit more in there. Just right at the bottom now, so I still need a little bit more. So far I've put 5.5 litres in. That do you? So I'll say about 5.6 or 7 litres. Clean it up. We're done now. Double check, perfect. Shut the hood. Always drop it, never push down. Right, now we've changed the oil, we now need to reset the indicator. So first things first, we come in the vehicle, don't put your foot on the clutch and put the ignition on. We need to go into the settings to change this. As you can see, the change engine oil soon indicators come up. So we're going to clear that one okay. We've got the clear that one okay. Clear that one okay. So press the settings button. Advanced settings yes, okay that one. Vehicle settings okay. All life reset okay. Press, obviously originally it was on 4%, so we need to press the hold OK button, which is obviously there. Okay, press hold, let it reset. So if we click on there, it should say 100%. Okay, so we go back and out and out and out, and we're back on the screen. Turn it back on. There will be no indicator for the change oil. Perfect, job done.